Respect my space. Understanding personal boundaries in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, respect my space. Understanding this phrase is not just about the words, but also about the cultural context behind it. So, let's dive in and learn together. Respect my space is a phrase used to ask someone to acknowledge and honor your personal boundaries. This can refer to physical space, like not standing too close, or emotional and mental space, like not asking overly personal questions. It's a polite yet firm way of setting boundaries. This phrase is typically used in situations where you feel your personal space is being invaded. For example, if someone is standing too close to you in a line, you might say, "Could you please respect my space?" It's important to use a calm and polite tone to avoid sounding confrontational. In different cultures, the concept of personal space varies. In some cultures, close physical proximity is normal, while in others, it's considered intrusive. When using this phrase, be mindful of these cultural differences. It's a way to communicate your comfort level while being respectful of others' customs. There are other ways to express the same idea. You might hear phrases like, "Please give me some space. I need a little room here. Could you step back a bit?" Each of these phrases can be used in different contexts to convey the same message of needing personal space. Respect my space is more than just a phrase. It's about understanding and respecting personal boundaries. We hope this video helps you navigate social situations more comfortably and confidently. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning English opens up a world of opportunities.